Birds inhabit nearly every corner of the world and play an important role in ecosystems everywhere. Birds are beautiful, graceful creatures that can be incredibly inspirational. Watching a bird soar through the sky is a truly breathtaking experience, and learning about their unique habits and behaviors is endlessly fascinating. Birds can teach us a lot about nature and the world around us, and they can also provide us with endless hours of entertainment. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or just starting out, getting to know these amazing creatures is definitely worth your time. The sunrise is a time of peace and beauty. It's a time to reflect on the day ahead and to be grateful for all that you have. The sunrise is a reminder that no matter what happens in life, there is always something to be thankful for. It's a time to start your day with a positive attitude and with hope for the future. The lotus flower is a symbol of purity and enlightenment in many cultures. Their delicate petals and serene beauty can brighten any day, and their association with purity and enlightenment make them a powerful symbol of hope and inspiration. For anyone who needs a little lift, a few minutes spent looking at a lotus flower can be incredibly uplifting.